Getting teased over here. Back to where we started. We're calling it. No, we're going up big now. We're upgrading. Give it to us. Come on, come on, somebody. We got something somewhere. Once again. Oh, we got a double pop. Even better. For those of you that stuck around, it works. Double pop. So we got the double firecracker and the double reels now. Oh, we got a lot of yellows here, but I guess you can't pop the third one because it's not up there to do it. Double fire and double games. Nice, do it. He's got a whole lot of firecrackers to throw out when there's two screens. He's gonna do it again after they settle. There they go. Put them in the right spots. Fire. We got a coin shower. That's a good sign. We win big. 880 bet. This is Casino Bonus Views. Nice. Keep on going. 10-cent denom. We're almost at $100 now. Over 100. Hell yeah. Started with the 105 on this machine. This will be the third bonus on this machine now. Look at that magic. Her fingers are just throwing coins out on the screen. Look at those bracelets. Just throwing coins out on the screen. That was a $200 so far in this bonus. We still got 6 more games.
Come on, little guy.
What can the yellow guy do? He's not even in the game.
We need 3 of them.
You got 3 of them, didn't you?
No, we don't have yellow.
Oh, again.
We're ready to do it.
This Mr. Ruby is being pretty generous here. Let him settle, and he'll pitch some more at us. Big denoms, big denoms. Oh.
This is good.
10s, 9s, oranges, or mandarins. The top one has all 5 10s going across. That's good too. Once again, hit subscribe. Upload new videos every day on the channel. Wow, we're at $338 in this bonus. Just barely halfway through. I know he's got some more firecrackers in his pocket he wants to throw at us. This is great. 880 bet, we're at 375. It's almost a 40x bonus, I think. Boom, boom, boom. Way over there, buddy. Line some up right here. Line some up. The first 3 columns. Spinning and spinning. All right, now we got some targets. Second column firecrackers. There you go. Oh yeah, glorious. And that's a big symbol, I believe. 600. Oh, we're over $1,000 now. Yeah, you're right. That's a massive win. This will be great. We're talking 25 Handpay now on an 880 bet. Can't say it enough. Check out the channel. Hit subscribe. Casino Bonus Views. Woo-wee.
It's good because I spent what you gave me.
There goes the other money. Recovery. at over $1,000 on the 880 bet. It's 100x.
Do it.
Good spots, good spots, good spots, good spots. Nice. Second row's good. Fourth row's good. Put some good spots in between. Line them up, line them up.
Right here.
Let's go, let's go. Nice, there you go. No fives, but a lot of fours. A whole lot of fours, a whole lot of different ways. Woo-wee.
Yay.
Dragon Firecracker, I think you bought some loyalty now. She will not forget you soon.
Again.
One more spin. Whew. That's probably 1200x right there. Almost $1,200 off a less than $9 bet. Oh yeah, now we're talking. He's going out in style here. Put some good symbols down and share some more firecrackers. Second row, second row, second row. There you go, couple. We'll get some five of a kinds out of that one.
Another $165.
Bam, bam, bam. I think he's not so subtly telling you, winner, winner, winner. Check out the channel, check out the library, hit subscribe, Casino Bonus Views. Good luck to you.